Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integrations. So now I will show you how to answer. Because we have same the power of s and s, this one we can put together and you got about 3e to the power of s. Next, we have the formula in here. The integration of capital A to the power of s ds, you got about capital A to the power of s over ln A, and we put about c. Now we can apply the formula in here, and you got 3e to the power of s over ln 3e, and we put about c. Now we go to the next one. We need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to s. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and you got about the u equals to the s. dv we have 10 to the power of s ds. The integration of this one, that is similar this formula in here, and you got about v equals to 10 to the power of s over ln number 10, and we put about c. But this one is about integration by parts, so we don't need to use about c in here. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v, so I will put about 1 over ln number 10 outside, and we have the integration 10 to the power of s ds. This one we have 10 to the power of s over ln number 10, and we put about c. So ln number 10, ln number 10, you got about ln number 10 to the power of 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.